Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to solve the problem of not being able to install applications from outside the Google Play Store. When you try to download an application from Google, for example, or any other browser, you get a message saying installation failed, package parsing failed, or file parsing failed. This problem often occurs because most applications outside the Google Play Store are now in XAPK format. Therefore, you need an alternative installation method, unlike the old way of downloading and installing the application normally. We will explain the method simply, and hopefully, your problem will be solved. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. Let's start the explanation. First, my friend, you will find this application in the first pinned comment. It is very simple, lightweight, and easy to use. All you have to do, my friend, after downloading the application, click on Install here. This will take you to the folders or files on your phone. Look for the file containing the application you want to install on your phone. I have. In this download file, click on it. As you can see, this is the application I was having trouble installing. It's in XAPK format. Click on it. As you can see, the application is being analyzed and will be installed now. As you can see, it gave me the installation option here. Click on the Install button here. Let's wait a little while. This process is in progress. Wait a little longer, and hopefully, you'll find that the problem is solved. But this is the solution I mentioned for you if your application is in XAPK format. Now, click on Run, and you'll find that the application has been installed. If you exit, you'll find it in the application interface on your phone. As you can see, this is the application I installed, and it was successfully installed. That was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. No questions or problems? Write them in the comments, and we'll meet again in the next video, God willing.